Hi guys, it's Rita with WTI, and I want to talk about this amazing drink. It is the Gatorade Zero orange flavor. So I like to buy this in packs of 12s because I usually have different flavors as well from ones that I like. I like to keep Gatorade on hand because it is packed with electrolytes. The reason I buy the Gatorade Zero is there's no sugar in it. So it's not as sweet, and you know that if you're working out or anything, you're not going to have it full of calories or sugar. So this is great. You're going to get all the electrolytes that you need when you're working out so that your body is going to be great. It's great if you are at the gym, if you're working out, if you're running, if you're an athlete. I even like to have it on hand if you're not feeling well or anything. The electrolytes are something that's really good to help rehydrate you and keep you hydrated. So I like to keep this with me when I go to the gym. I like to have it even on a hot day. It's really great to have in the summertime. It's something that we all like to have in our family, and the orange flavor is really nice. I find it's just refreshing enough. It's not so sweet. It's really good when you put it in a glass full of ice as well, but that's just my point of view.